Hey everyone and welcome to today's topic. How much money do I need to invest to get $1,000 dividend a month? Investing in stocks that pay dividends is one way to generate passive income. But how much money do you need to invest to receive a $1,000 monthly dividend? Let's take a look at some popular stocks and calculate the investment required. Let's start with Coca Cola. As of February 2023, Coca Cola has an annual dividend payout of $1.76 per share, and the stock price is around $58 per share. Therefore, the dividend yield is approximately 3.03%. To receive $1,000 per month, you would need to invest around $395,000 in Coca Cola stock. Next, let's look at Disney. As of February 2023, Disney has an annual dividend payout of $1.76 per share, and the stock price is around $170 per share. Therefore, the dividend yield is approximately 1.03%. To receive $1,000 per month, you would need to invest around $1,161,000 in Disney stock. Moving on to Google, or rather Alphabet, Google's parent company. As of February 2023, Alphabet has an annual dividend payout of $9.60 per share, and the stock price is around $2,700 per share. Therefore, the dividend yield is approximately 0.36%. To receive $1,000 per month, you would need to invest around $2,777,778 in Alphabet stock. Let's continue with Apple. As of February 2023, Apple has an annual dividend payout of $1.68 per share, and the stock price is around $175 per share. Therefore, the dividend yield is approximately 0.96%. To receive $1,000 per month, you would need to invest around $1,041,667 in Apple stock. Now let's take a look at the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 is a stock market index that represents the performance of 500 large companies listed on U.S. stock exchanges. It's considered to be one of the most widely followed equity indices in the world and is often used as a benchmark for the overall health of the U.S. stock market. The companies included in the S&P 500 are selected based on their market capitalization, liquidity, and industry sector representation. The index is weighted by market capitalization, which means that the larger the company, the more it influences the index's performance. Many investors use index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the S&P 500 to gain exposure to the overall stock market, which tracks the performance of 500 large-cap U.S. companies. As of February 2023, the average dividend yield of S&P 500 companies is around 1.3%. To receive $1,000 per month in dividends from a diversified portfolio of S&P 500 companies, you would need to invest around $769,230 in the index. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow Jones Industrial Average. As of February 2023, the dividend yield of the Dow Jones Industrial Average is around 2.23%. To get $1,000 a month in dividends from the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you would need to invest around $537,000. Nasdaq 100 Index. As of February 2023, the dividend yield of the Nasdaq 100 is around 0.81%. So to get $1,000 a month in dividends from the Nasdaq 100, you would need to invest around $1.23 million. MSCI EAFE Index. As of February 2023, the dividend yield of the MSCI EAFE Index is around 2.37%. So in order to get $1,000 a month in dividends from the MSCI EAFE Index, you would need to invest around $420,000. It's important to note that these are rough estimates based on current dividend yields and that the actual amount needed to generate $1,000 in passive income from each index may fluctuate over time. Additionally, the amount of money you need to invest to receive a $1,000 dividend per month depends on the dividend yield of the stock you choose. It's important to do your research and consider a variety of factors before making any investment decisions. This is educational purpose only. I recommend speaking with a financial advisor to help you make the best decisions for your specific financial situation. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you liked our content. Please feel free to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time. Bye.